Guys, welcome. Hope everyone had a great Thanksgiving and hope you guys had a great weekend also. Hope that you're ready to get back to work. All right, so let's go right into it. Should be a big week on data. I know we've got data coming out tomorrow. We have ISM numbers coming out. Wednesday, we've got data coming out on Wednesday and also Thursday and Friday. All right, so we got a big week with data. All right, overall, guys, the markets are holding firm. All right, let's take a look at big picture. We'll start with big picture this evening. Okay, so guys, the Dow, right? We keep looking at this. Nothing major has changed on the weekly time frame on the Dow. All right, so weekly time frame. All right, just to recap, buy signal here on a break of resistance on the Dow at 35,000 on the weekly time frame, trading at 44,000. All right, so 40,000 on the Dow was a big number. All right, so 44,000. So big picture, Dow is holding firm on the weekly and also on the monthly. So we finished the month of November, guys, up in a big way. Big buyers came in for the whole month, all right, of November on the Dow. So we're at all-time highs, guys, all-time highs territory on the Dow. S&P weekly time frame, you can see right here. Buy signal here, we are breaking resistance, all green candles on the S&P. So your mega cap, large cap stocks should hold firm. On the monthly time frame, same thing, guys. Buy signal here on the break of this resistance after some pullback on the S&P, and this is the monthly time frame on the S&P right here. All right, so buy signal here. Big candle came in last month on the monthly time frame, and again, weekly time frame looks good on the S&P. NASDAQ on the weekly time frame, same thing here, holding near the all-time highs on the NASDAQ. All right, so again, your tech, large cap stocks, all right, your Magnificent Seven stocks will be in the S&P and the NASDAQ. Buy signal here on the break of this resistance, and we got a big candle coming in right here, guys, on the NASDAQ. All right. The Russell is also breaking out weekly time frame, right? We're near the highs here, all-time highs on the weekly time frame. All right, with the IWM Russell, we just need to hold, guys. Okay, so we need to hold. As long as we hold and stay above resistance here, we should be fine, and that should help your small cap stocks in Stock Boss. Okay, the Russell, guys, if you look here, Russell gave a buy signal on the weekly time frame. Weekly time frame right here. I'm sorry, weekly right here, monthly. Buy signal came in on the monthly time frame. Okay, so buy signal came in last month, right at the end of the month, November. Big push higher, monthly time frame. So this candle here, 1 month worth of data with a buy signal. So finally, we are breaking out on the Russell big picture. The VIX has reduced volatility. So big red candle came in, guys, on the month. All right. And totally reversed some of the selling we saw in the equity markets. Okay. So we got low volatility in the VIX, which is really good for equity. VIX right now is at 1351. That is really low. Okay, guys. All right. So, but looks like we can push a bit lower. Big red candle, low volatility on the VIX. Again, that should help equities. Okay. The Magnificent Seven stocks, let's take a look at them. Tesla is holding right at resistance here at 345. NVIDIA, all right, NVIDIA gave a sell signal, guys. All right, on Thursday, we got a bounce here on Friday. Let's see what it does this week. All right, equity markets are holding, so hopefully we could see buyers come back on NVIDIA and break through this resistance, giving us another buy signal. All right, the resistance on NVIDIA right now is, what is that? Right at 150, guys. So 150, all right, is near-term resistance on NVIDIA. Amazon, let's take a look here. Amazon buy signal is here and moving up nicely. A bit of a pullback right here. All green candles need to break through resistance there. Apple gave a buy signal, guys. Apple gave a buy signal on Friday on this candle right here. So this candle closed on Friday with our blue arrow right here, buy signal right here on Apple, and we are breaking resistance, so perfect buy signal. Now remember, this was the previous buy signal right here, almost identical place right here. All right, placement right here, that failed. Hopefully this buy signal will work out. We're coming from a very tight range, okay? But overall, we are trending higher, all right, in the markup phase. So that would be reaccumulation, okay? We do have a buy signal there, okay? That's Apple. Meta, Facebook, consolidating right here, no buy signals. All right, the previous buy signal closed right here on 1025 at what that 562, no buy signal hit. So just wait on Meta. Same thing with Microsoft, guys. Consolidating within a tight range, just waiting to break out, hopefully to the upside, giving a buy signal. Google right here, same thing, guys. Consolidating. Buy signal was here, red candle. We are back within support and resistance. So nothing to do there, just hold. So the Magnificent Seven stocks, they're just holding, all right? So we only have Tesla. Tesla is really breaking out. The rest are holding. Bitcoin, guys, on the daily time frame. Remember, our buy signal came in on the daily time frame right here at 66,000. All right, retrace got a red candle, got back in right around here on the break of resistance, trading at 97,000. So Bitcoin is definitely holding firm on the daily time frame here. So it looks really good on the daily time frame. If you guys wanted to trade it on a smaller time frame, let's bring in the 60-minute time frame. Let's see what we've got here. 60-minute time frame, buy signal was here. All right. If it breaks resistance, it might go lower. Let's see here. So here's your mark down, mark up. All right, but that buy signal, too late to get in. Okay, buy signal is right here, and it's moving higher. Okay, so on the 60-minute time frame, it's too late, and on the daily time frame, it's too late also. Okay, all right. On the weekly time frame, big buy signal here. So this is what, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the 5th week, guys, since Bitcoin really broke out of this strong resistance right here. And here we are holding firm again at 97,000. Looks like it really wants to get over 100,000. The dollar index, guys, trading below resistance. All right, be aware of the dollar long. We will go in dollar long. Be aware of that. Pound yen, we send out a lot of alerts of pound yen short. We got a red candle, so just be aware of that. We have a red candle came in pound yen on the weekly time frame right here. So sellers are coming in, guys, on the weekly time frame, pound yen, and also let's take a look at the monthly time frame here. Monthly, we are trading below resistance. This is the last time sellers came in heavy, right in here, right about here. It's when the selling started. And here we are right here. So if we break through support, near-term support, we could see sellers come in, push that price lower. And we're starting to see that happen on the weekly time frame right here in pound yen. So pay attention to that. We are shorting the yen pair. So we'll take a look at how those trades are doing. Yen, the Japanese yen in the futures market, holding support, guys. Looks like it wants to break through that resistance, near-term resistance. Let's put it right about here. Let's see if it can get to that area. Okay. All right. Bonds are moving higher. So that's the LTL. All right. Long-term LTL is moving higher. right? So you guys should see it's the inverse. So rates should be coming down, okay? So good support here, and we'll look for bonds to get the LTL all the way back up here to resistance. Let's see if it can make it to that area. Okay, gold, guys, gold is pulling back a bit, trading at 2,600, made it all the way up to $2,800. All right, we'll see if it can hold that trend line right here. Now, silver is struggling a bit. Okay, struggling a bit, trading right at resistance. Previous resistance has become support. All right, at least we've got some green candles here. We need buyers to continue to move higher. All right, but keep an eye on it right at resistance. If it fails, we could see sellers coming like they did here. Okay, our current positions, let's go through current positions in Monster Scalper. Okay, current positions in Monster Scalper. Now we've got long positions and the dollar pairs and short positions in the yen pairs. Okay, so let's take a look. We'll go through this quickly here. All right, so we've got several shorts. You guys remember for a long time we didn't have any shorts, so we've got some shorts now. All right. All right, Aussie Swiss short, Aussie Swiss on the 60-minute time frame. Hold on. This is the long chart. Let's bring in the short. All right, Aussie Swiss. All right, Aussie Swiss, so short signal here, buy to cover, close the trade, please. Very difficult trade in there. All right, we're looking to break through that support. We did get a sell short, but didn't follow through there. Aussie Swiss, nothing to do there. Aussie CAD, same thing here, guys. So short here, buy to cover, nothing there. USD JPY, so short here. White candle currently, guys, keep an eye on it here. If it breaks through previous support, becomes resistance, you get a green candle there, close the trade, okay? HKD JPY, same thing here. So short right here. Red candles, right? It's currently turning from red to white. You guys can see that there. All right, just be aware of that. We need sellers to come on back and push the price lower. All right, so HKD JPY 60-minute, keep an eye on it. TRY JPY, all right, so short right here, holding. Again, with a lot of these guys, we need to, I'm going to go back here. We need for them to break through that support down here and keep moving higher. Certainly will not happen in the Asian market, but it could in the Euro session, okay? HKD JPY, and again, we want this to come on back down, break through support right here. TRY JPY, same thing here. Support is here. We need sellers to come on back down, break through that support, and make another leg down. Okay, so we just need next candle perhaps, come on back down. All right, break through that support. If it breaks through that resistance here, all right, give a white candle, I say red, blue, green candle here, close the trade. Kind of like something like this here, okay? You could see buyers come in, all right, or neutral with white candles, and then sellers come back in. But green candles definitely close the trade. NZD JPY, same thing here. So we need to break support. Now, these trades are deep in the markdown phase, okay? So they've been... all right, they've had some shorts already here and here. So be careful. Okay, short and deep in the markdown phase. Same thing here with CAD yen. Support is here. We need sellers to come on back down. Okay, and hopefully get another trade like this. Aussie yen. Same thing here. All right. So bring in your support lines just like here. If you want to bring in a resistance, you can certainly do that right here. And the goal is, since these are shorts, we need sellers to push the price lower there. Aussie yen. SGD JPY, same thing here, guys. Good previous trade. Again, we are definitely oversold, but we're looking for one more trade perhaps, okay? All right. Swiss yen, same thing here. Good trading here. Sold short, buy to cover, sold short, buy to cover, sold short. All right, again, support line here. And we do have a markdown phase, downward trend line here. All right, right there. Okay. Pound yen. Same thing, guys. Lots of support. Now we could see buyers come in. But if we look here on pound yen weekly time frame, we could see sellers are definitely coming in here. So on the weekly time frame too. So we've got to take that seriously. So hopefully we get another leg down. Euro yen. All right, same thing here. Okay, support is right here. And 2 decent trades so far. All right, we're looking for one more trade. All right. And again, deep in the markdown phase. So buyers could come in at any time. All right. Okay. All right. So those are the shorts on the 60-minute time frame. 60-minute time frame. Okay. We have some longs, dollar longs on the 240. Quick look at those. In Monster Scalper. So dollar, HUF, that trade closed. So bought here, sold here, close the trade, please. USD HUF. USD CNH. All right, buy signal here, red candle, sell signal should be out of that trade. So no longs in Monster Scalper on both the 60 and the 240. Equities, guys, we loaded up with equities, stocks, because the market is moving, all right? Equity markets are moving. So we'll take a look at those on Tuesday. On the 240, we also have some short positions here. Some alerts that we've called. All right, so Aussie Swiss on the 240-minute time frame here. Sell short signal, that's holding right now. Dollar JPY, sell short signal, good trade going here. The target on this one, guys, is hopefully it makes it all the way. Let's bring that here. Okay, so dollar USD JPY, good short going here. So short signal here, moving down nicely there. HKD JPY, another good short. So short right here, and still holding target all the way. Let's hopefully it gets all the way down here. Good short going here. HKD JPY. NZD JPY on the 240, same thing here. So short here, holding firm. CAD yen. All right, CAD yen, guys. All right, so short here, rich support right here. We need another leg down. Okay, CAD yen. Aussie yen, same thing. So short here, good price action. Near support here, we need to break support, keep going lower. Let's move this down here. All right, so that's the goal. Keep coming lower down here. Aussie yen, Swiss yen. All right, so short signal here. All right, all the way here. Let's bring this down. Target all the way down here. Okay, if you got in late, right, somewhere in here, that's fine too. We're looking for a bigger move there. Pound yen. All right, look at pound yen, guys. So short here, big move. Target is all the way down here. Pound yen will move. All right, euro yen. So pound yen, now euro yen, good price action, guys. Look at this, right? All right, markdown phase keeps breaking support levels, and now it's almost at a major support all the way down here. Okay, good price action, good trading. The last one, ZAR yen. All right, ZAR yen, so short here. All right, breaking, getting ready to break support here. That's redistribution, target all the way down here. Okay, so good trades on the 240 short with Monster Scalper. Not bad. Now, Forex Dominator on the daily time frame. Let's take a look here. Our US 30 traders, we do have a long position. We send out an alert. We'll take a look at that. Okay. All right, long position, Forex Dominator on the daily time frame. All right, dollar pairs long, guys. So we're long the dollar pair. Short in the yen, long the dollar. Short in the yen, long the dollar on the daily time frame. Okay, so USD PLN, buy signal here, holding firm. A bit of a pullback, white candle, followed by a green candle this evening. And we have a lot of resistance here we're looking to break through. USD PLN. USD HUF, buy signal here. We're moving up nicely there. Dollar ZAR, buy signal here, holding for now. Target is all the way up there, first target. USD DKK, buy signal here, moving nicely here on the daily time frame, guys. So remember that, okay? These are longer term trades. USD DKK. USD SEK, all right, good price action, buy signal here, looks good. USD NOK. So USD NOK, buy signal here, holding, right? Wants to break through a big resistance here. Look here. Talk about a range trade. This is a range trade. Okay, so we bought here. We're looking to break through that resistance, break out of that range. Okay, USD CHF, dollar Swiss, buy signal here, holding firm, good markdown phase. Okay, that's dollar Swiss there. Hold on. All right, dollar Swiss right here. All right. Dollar CAD, buy signal here, guys, breaking out nicely. Dollar CAD, all right, got out of that range here. Got past resistance, past sellers here, moving up higher right now. Dollar CAD. USD CNH, same thing. Buy signal here, guys, holding, looking to break through that resistance here. USD JPY, that trade closed, right, on the daily time frame in Forex Dominator. Buy signal here, red candle, sell signals. Close the trade, please. HKD JPY, buy signal here, red candle, sell signal. Close the trade, please. All right, TRY, JPY, buy signal here, red candle, sell signal, close the trade, please, okay? So those yen pairs are moving lower, so we're cleaning those up, getting out of longs. We do have some shorts in Forex Dominator. On the daily time frame, okay? So these are shorts, yen shorts on the daily time frame. Some of these are early. So let's take a look. EUR JPY, So short right here. Good price action moving down lower. Target, guys, is right about here. All right. Support is here. Pound yen. Same thing. Early sell short signal. Right. Target. That's pound yen. Okay. So we're looking for a bigger move lower. Pound yen. So short. Moving lower. SGD JPY, so short here. See, these are early moves, guys. All right. Support is all the way down here. Okay. All right. And then further support is down here. All right. We'll see if it can make it all the way down there. Aussie yen, same thing. So short here, guys. Target is right here. If it breaks through, we have further support all the way down here. Okay. All right. CAD yen, same thing here. So short here, target here. Support, further support all the way down here. So these trades are setting up nicely there. New Zealand yen, no guarantees. All right. New Zealand yen. So short here. Target is all the way here. Let's see if we can make it. And it's good price action. Lower lows coming in there. Okay. All right. So we got good shorts in the yen pairs. Dollar pairs are struggling to hold on the smaller time frame, but holding firm. Holding firm here in Forex dominator. Okay. All right. Our US 30 traders. Our US 30 traders, we do have a buy signal here. Now we've got data coming out. Okay. We do have data coming out, but we do have a buy signal here on a break of this resistance. It has pulled back, but it is holding. We have all green candles, so all we need is follow through. And we are nicely in the markup phase, so this is reaccumulation. Okay, so these are new buyers entering. All right, so here we are, buy signal here. We need the price to continue to move higher. If it breaks through that resistance, previous resistance becomes support, we might get a sell signal right here. Okay, to close the trade. On the daily time frame, it looks good. Okay, so daily time frame, we have buyers on the daily time frame. NAS 100, guys, we did have a buy signal here. We held off on calling it. All right, it is extended, very choppy, but if we can, it's got a buy signal. If we can break through that resistance, we might call another buy signal there. Okay. And then the last one, S&P, same thing. S&P 500, buy signal here, nice break of resistance, holding firm here, but we've got purple support and resistance, so keep that in mind, okay? All right. As far as Forex, guys, if we look here, Forex overall, right, we have a lot of red coming in, so price action in the yen pairs are moving lower. That doesn't mean we can't see buyers come in, but the overall trend right now is short, all right? Short in the dollar. We're starting to see some shorts come in on the Aussie and Kiwi pairs, okay? So on the daily time frame, we've got some selling. All right, we need that selling to continue on the 240 and on the 60, much like the yen pairs here. All right, so this is really good for the yen pairs, guys. All red, all down. All right, except for one here. We won't count that. On the daily, look here, on the 240 and on the 60. So they're looking to take the pound pairs lower. Interestingly, we've got sellers coming in. All right, in the euro pairs on the daily time frame, mixed on the 240, and we've got sellers on the 60-minute time frame. So probably too early to go short. We'll take a quick look here at let me make a note. Euro short. We'll take a quick look. Okay, we do have decent volatility on the daily time frame. 240, not too bad. All right, about 65% volatility. Same with the 60-minute time frame. Okay, but just notice here, guys, they're shorting, right? So the ZAR yen is lower. All right, euro yen is lower. Pound yen is lower here. Now this could change overnight. Swiss yen is lower, and then Aussie yen is up just by a bit. Okay. All right. Let's see here. Monster Scalper. Let's go through Monster Scalper and then we'll be done. Okay, so Monster Scalper, guys, if you notice here, 60-minute time frame. All right, 60-minute time frame. We've got some shorts in here. All right, just remember, all right, we do have alerts. All right, but they're near support level. So just be aware we could get a bounce, right? We can get a bounce of that support. USD JPY, if you guys look here, right? So the candle came all the way up here and now it's retracing. It is going back down. That is what we want to see. This is perhaps the most aggravating part of the trade when you're in it, okay? And it's not breaking support levels or holding or breaking resistance. Okay, so no new trades currently. Let's make sure. So ZAR yen. All right, so we're going to call ZAR. We're not in ZAR yen. So ZAR yen, ZARJPY, short on the 60. Okay, ZAR yen. Dollar yen, we've called that one. Turkish TRY yen, we've called that one. SGD JPY, we've called that one. New Zealand yen, we've called that. HKD, we've called that one. Pound yen, we've called pound yen. Swiss yen, we've called Swiss yen. CAD yen, we've called CAD yen. So guys, most of these we've called already. Aussie yen, all right, Aussie yen. All right. And guys, this is setting up nicely. Purple support and resistance. All we need is a break of that support to move lower there, okay? And that's Aussie yen. As far as the dollar pairs, guys, just be careful with those. We want to go up with these. The dollar index. Hey, Antonio, welcome. The dollar index. Let's take a look here. Let's see. I think it's the dollar is down currently. Okay. Oh, no, it's up. All right. So the dollar, guys, did come down the last 3 days or so. All right. So including today. All right. So it's up right now. But you just remember, this is a big resistance area. Okay. So right here, right here, right here, and then here we are, right at that resistance. So we need buyers to come on in and go lower. Right now, the E-minis, the Dow E-mini, it's down, okay, 48 points. NASDAQ is down, S&P is down, Russell is down, and the dollar is up. All right, so that's the inverse, okay? So just remember that. We'll see what the dollar does. Definitely take a look to see what the dollar does overnight. The dollar pairs again right here, guys, very mixed. So we got buyers, so we got neutral, that's white, blue, right? That's up, red, down, so it's mixed. We want confirmation like this, either all red or the majority red and blue, okay? So a lot of work has to be done here with the dollar pairs, okay? We do have let's move this. Okay, so if you guys look here, we do have No dollar pairs on the long and on the 240 in Monster Scalper. Okay, those trades have closed only in our Forex dominator. Okay, all right, but if buyers come back in, we don't have a sell signal on the dollar index. Yes, it's reverse. Yes, it's holding right support right here. All right, but that could change anytime. Okay. All right. I think that will do it, guys. So we don't, from the coming back from the holidays, we don't have a lot of data this evening, but we do have, all right, on the calendar, a lot of news coming out. So just remember, tomorrow we have ISM. On Tuesday, we've got data coming out. Wednesday, we've got data coming out. Thursday and Friday, data is coming out in the New York session with equity. So just keep an alert on that. Right, if you guys are trading any of the Mag 7 stocks, right, we've been sending videos on those, in particular Tesla and NVIDIA. All right, really pay attention to your NVIDIA trade, okay? Not in trouble yet, okay? Not in trouble. We are hoping for a bounce. But Tesla is holding firm, okay? All right, guys, I'll see everyone on Tuesday. If you need to reach me, you guys can go to the website. If you need any coaching, anything at all, go to the website, www.monstertradingsystem.com, systems.com, or if you need to communicate with any of our traders, all right, just go into the Discord. The link is on the website. Okay, guys, take care, and I'll see everyone on Tuesday. Take care. Bye-bye.